come and join Rick today at Dezerland. He's going to take you around a full tour of what is included at Dezerland, what is new, what is different since we went 2 years ago. A lot of unique things in here and quite a few changes, so let's go check it out.
Today we're out here at Dezerland Park. Again, we're going to do some updates, see what's new and what's not so new anymore. One thing that's cool about this place is they have some cool artwork up here all along the walls of the outside. As soon as we walk in, we got some signs here. It tells you which way to go, wherever you want to go. Pinball, bowling, cinema, and axe throwing. I think that's a new one. All right, so we're gonna go to the right. There's 007 James Bond drinks over here, I guess, huh? Or some sort of bar. And here's something you don't see every day. Oh my goodness, look at this. Looks like it was used in the James Bond movie, one of the James Bond movies, I'm guessing. Well, with Pierce Bronson. Here's something new and at this play shooting. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but they're Tron, like LED Tron bikes. Your little ones can ride them. $25 for 30 minutes. And they can ride around on these like little light cycles. Well, light cycle inspired, I guess. Okay, so across from that is the huge arcade. Last time we were here, they didn't have this many. So there is quite a few more that they've added. I do not remember seeing that. Reality simulator here. Oh, there's some old school games too. Afterburner. Oh, only a couple, but they do have racing games here. Pretty nice. Oh, check it out. It's Optimus Prime. That's a cool. That's pretty cool. It is very, very loud in here. Arcades. I love that atmosphere. And this is pretty cool, actually. They definitely have beefed it up. This is awesome. They still have a lot of empty buildings in here. I remember last time it was a lot of empty buildings. But there looks like here there's a coming soon interactive digital park. So this might be something interesting. We have to come back and check out when it's open. And look, they have bumper cars. I don't remember if these were here or not. My goodness, they definitely have come a long way since the last time we've been here. Bumper car rules? What? We don't need rules for bumper cars. Antique, huh? I wonder if it's okay. It's just a display. Doesn't really say where it came from, but pretty awesome. Say, I don't know if this is new or not, this jump start. Wow, it's a trampoline park. Okay, this wasn't here last time either. Very cool. Here, right here. Attraction prices. And they have food here too, menus. Partying, jump start, bowling, arcade. Okay, and they have specials also. This looks like it's a jump park in here. Trampoline park. Here's part of the museum. A lot of Hollywood cars back there. We did a video on the cars before, and it looks exactly the same. They may have moved stuff around, but you can check out our video on that. We have one for solely, basically, the museum, the car museum. Lots of cool antiques in there, a lot of neat stuff. I suggest checking it out. And after you're done playing some of the ticket games over here, they have a lot of ticket games. You can come over here and spend your tickets on prizes, and it looks like they have some pretty decent prizes up here. This is more than likely what you're going to really be getting and stuff like this, unless you come here constantly or you're super lucky to get like 9,800 for that shuffle toss or 1,400 for that guitar up there. That's 14,000, not 100. And they do have bowling. I had this last time. I think it's a neat setup. I like the screens. Yeah, right here. That's a better look at them. Birthday parties here. Check in right here. There's your attraction prices. Maybe move so we can see a little bit better. They also have pool over here. I don't remember seeing this last time. And over here we got the Go-Karts right here. And they look pretty fast. Here's the gift shop. And I want to say this is new. I do not remember this. I want to say this is new. It even smells new. It smells like wood in here. Oh, they have all kinds of merch. They have Disney stuff. Mugs. $11.99. That's actually not bad. They even have some collectible cars here. Teenage Turtles. You know, I don't see these anywhere really else. At least I haven't noticed any. That's kind of cool. I have to say this is probably one of the biggest like gift shop that I've seen. I mean, this is crazy. This is really big. I'm a little blown away by it, really. All right, here goes another gift shop, leather and gifts, it says. Oh, yep, they have leather jackets. All kinds of cool leather jackets, really. And katanas and swords and wow, very cool. Okay, so here's one of my favorites right here. I love this shop. Well, this place has the greatest candies, signs, gag gifts, games, old school classic games, Chinese checkers, snakes and ladders, backgammon. They have every bottle cap known to man displayed on the whole board here, all along this candy station. Yeah, huge candy store. Here's some of the old fun candies here, chocolates and candies. You don't see Charleston Chew or Chocolates anymore at the regular stores anyway. Alright, I do see lots of like empty buildings here, empty storefronts. I'm hoping they do something with these one day. But they have lots of room to expand here. Alright, we've made it to the Excelsior, finally. This is where they do the axe throwing, and I am sure that is a fun activity. Here's some prices right here. Axe throwing prices, 30 minutes per person for $30. He's generous enough to give us a demonstration here of axe throwing. Oh, he's like dead eye. Well, okay, you can tell he's been doing this for a little while.
just missed the third one.
That was awesome, though. The Pinball Palace still looks the same. Few minor details that they did change. Wow, look at this. They have Star Wars. I've actually seen this one. This is also seen this at the Monster Arcades, which you could actually check out those videos as well. I would definitely suggest checking out those videos on Arcade Monsters. Okay, this is super cool. I really like the KISS pinball machine. It's not the old school 70s one, but it's definitely cool. They revamped it into a newer version. But yo, they did a good job over here with all these. A lot of old ones. I like it. These are from the 80s, a lot of these. Look at this Spy Hunter. Are you kidding me? That's fun. I remember playing this one because this side is so hard to stay away from. You lose your ball almost all the time. Lots of old school ones from the 80s, from my time of growing up. They also have the console systems back there too, and a few pool tables. Those were all added in. Alright, here are some from like the 60s, definitely. 60s, 70s. These are antiques over here. I remember years and years and years ago, they were considered illegal in a lot of states because of, they considered it gambling. So they added flippers to them. They used to not have flippers, and they added flippers to them to make it just a game instead of taking your chances. Okay, this one looks like the old, it is. Look, it's the old school KISS pinball. Dolly Parton, that's crazy, you don't see that. You don't see any of these. That's old, or this is old right here. You guys playing GoldenEye. They have both of them, GoldenEye and the regular James Bond 007. Yeah, that's an old school James Bond right there. That's the first one. Well, pretty impressive over here. The prices are decent too. It's 4 hours for all-inclusive, $30 a person, and then you would get every single thing in here, including the arcade machines, the TV games, all the pinballs. In 4 hours, you can definitely have fun with that. So I think the pricing is not that bad. Right back here's the cinema. I think that's always been here. That's always been a part of this. So, all right, we're going back towards the Auto Museum entrance, and I do see some new shops down here. All right, this appears to be some sort of soda shop. It's unbelievably good, dirty soda. Let's see what they got on their menu. Your base, and you have add-ons, syrups with black cherry, blood orange, blueberry, all kinds of stuff. They also have purees here. Here's the milk, the House of Cereal. Cereal bar, so you come in here, you can have your cereal.
Online it says that guests begin by choosing a cereal base from over 100 kinds available, some that are no longer in stores. And after that you can add a variety of toppings including marshmallows, M&Ms, chocolate chips, sprinkles, and syrups. They do have options for dietary restrictions like gluten-free cereals and non-dairy milk options too. But for $5 for all you can eat, this is probably the best deal as far as getting something to eat here.
Alright, we got another restaurant here, pizza pie. Cheese pizza, pepperoni, meat lovers, Hawaiian, and supreme. You know, those prices are not that bad either. It's actually pretty good. And then they got their combos over here. It smells wonderful in here. I love it. It looks like it's connected to another one called Amigos Burritos. This is what you can do. You get burritos or bowls or salads. You pick your protein, your rice, your beans, your starches anyway, your veggies, cheese, and then extras. Okay, and then they have salads over here. All kinds of crazy stuff. Okay, good. And then next door to that is soft serve ice cream right there. With milkshakes, soft serve ice cream and toppings at 89 cents an ounce. And this place is a soft serve ice cream where you can add toppings to your ice cream, soft serve ice cream. Reminds me of this place called Menchie's. French coffee served here. It's a simple coffee house. They got everything you want. espresso, from espresso to hot chocolate. I don't know, they have some decent looking desserts too. Look at that. The strawberry cake looks wonderful. Tiramisu, $4.99, that's pretty good. All right, this looks like the last restaurant or place to eat. Corner Burger. Mozzarella sticks, $10? I bet you get a lot of them. Those burgers look amazing up there. And this is Alfred E. Newman car. He's from Mad Magazine.
Another great spot for go-karting, arcades, bowling would be Elevate. That's in Sanford, and they just opened up a new one in Tampa, so I definitely want to check that out eventually. But I'll link our full tour of all the arcades in Florida. Definitely lots to go to, so I would compare which one would be right for you, your friends, or your family. And again, last time we visited, we did do the car museum, which is really interesting. Probably not great for young kids, but great for adults who really have an appreciation for cars.
All right, it says the VR arena is now open, but I have yet to find it. This looks like it might be the laser tag area. It is. This is the laser tag. I'm not sure if this place was open before, but it doesn't look like it's open now. So I don't really know. Interesting day here at Dezerland. I am impressed with what they've done with it. They've actually come a long way, and I'm happy for them, because you need more to do than just theme parks. And I tell you, when you're in the sun all day long, this place is like a huge air-conditioned fun spot. That's what it is. All right, well, there you have it. That's going to do it for today at Dezerland Park. Great indoor place to play games. They have lots of pinball, lots of activities to do. I do suggest coming here. I think the whole family would like it. It's fun. They beefed it up. It looks great here.
A big thank you to Maddie and Lachey for helping support our channel. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Stay epic. Hit subscribe. For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.
Click either of these videos, the top one being the top 6 arcades in Florida, and the bottom one focusing on Elevate, which is very similar to Dezerland, but a lot smaller. And thank you so much for watching.